Everyone, welcome back to my blog. My name is Zaman. I'm from India, 19 years old. I'm still fighting with my English. I can't speak fluent English. That's why I'm making this blog. In this video, I just gonna practice my English day by day and how improvement will become. So it doesn't matter how many days it's gonna be take, but I do my best for the still fighting with English. So literally if you live in India, that's so hard to speak in English because they have no environment, they have no culture. That's why I'm also unable to speak in English. And also some things, if you're from India, so your primary education may be conducted in Hindi or maybe your local language. And we are also bilingual. We can speak many language, Hindi, Urdu. That's why if we chose English, that's why it's hard to speak in English. So literally in this video you can see me how I'm also 12 pass and now in my college, but I can't speak fluent English. In this video I just share my fighting, how I try to speak with my English, and you can say my English it's 50-50. I understand, I can read carefully, but I can't speak. And that's why I read lot of books and I read lot of newspaper day by day to try myself make a good fluent like a native speaker. But firstly, we not need to follow more grammar. We need to read and speak, then fluency will become one day. So for this I read many lot of books. Now currently I read this book, General Improvement English. This book you can see, General Improvement English. It's from basic grammar level, noun, pronoun, adjective, and this everything portion will be covered. Also passive by direct, antonym, synonym, idiom, phrase, confusing word and phrase. This is gonna be whole cover for my English. If I read this whole book, so English will be good, I think so. And at second book, I purchased this Arihant book, but I don't know how is this book like in this. But this book for the competitive exams, CDS, NDA, SSC, banking, and B.Ed entrance, other exam, general English, the function of tense, voice, modals, article, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. This book gonna be cover whole portion. If I read this book, I will be make a good English. So let's come in first topic. That's hard to speak if you live in India in English, because they have no culture, they have no environment, and their lack of resources. If we live in a native country, I think if I also live in a native country, in 1 year or 2 years I gonna be cover everything portion of English or C1 C2 level. You can see now I can't follow grammar structure. That's hard to make, but I still speaking. Someone kidding and someone kidding me. Hey, say that I am you are speaking like a broken structure of grammar rules. But I say it doesn't matter how you speak. And starting, if I do practice day by day, it's gonna be improved. It's take many time, but I will stay and try to find native speaker for the good fluency. That's why I have one friend from a native country. Our daily or in a week, 1 time or 2 times I speak with him. That's one give me a like a native speaker natural emotionals and natural way to speak, how you can speak in English. So also student and still fighting with English, and that's why I'm sharing my journey with you, all of you guys. And if you have any tips, you can give me any tips how I can improve my English. That's why I'm created this type of vlog. So I read lot of books also, like this one, like where is my, I read lot of books. I also read these books, NCRT, because NCRT it's also benefit. If you read more text, your English gonna be improved. It doesn't matter. And first thing for a good communication in English, you need more book. It doesn't matter how many hard. And also I have my 12 syllabus, these type books, the business studies. I'm also reading sometime in my free time. I read this book, and I have lot of books. It doesn't matter, any journals or something like that. You can read article. It's benefit. If you read more text, your English will be improved. So it's the key to improve your English. So I'm from India, UP, Uttar Pradesh, and I face many difficulties to speak in English. I can understand English, but I can't speak English. I don't know why. I try many times, but I have no circle of friends, so I can speak. That's why I'm making this video, and it's my first or second blog. In this blog, how I can improve without using a paragraph or something like that. I speak natural. So my schooling is so bad, that's why I'm unable to speak. I think that's why I'm unable. I'm average student and still fighting for English. So let's join my journey for improvement to fluent way, becoming like a native speaker. Fast lane is starting. I don't focus on like a native speaker accent. I will focus on clear pronunciation, vocabulary, and read more newspaper, more books without any focus on grammar, how grammar structure work. Like from childhood, we are child. In starting, we don't teach grammar structure of the Hindi language. From the starting, we learn by the family members and Hindi. Then we speak Hindi without any problem. That's why I also follow this step. I don't read a grammar or something like that, but my schooling completed. That's why I read that type books there I have mentioned already. So you can see how much broken English, without structure, without clear pronunciation, without vocabulary. But I still fighting. It doesn't matter how much hardship. One day I will be achieved fluently like a native speaker. So follow me for this type video and stay with me my blogs. And if I say why English is more important for everyone, English is a global language, internet language. English is everywhere. Higher studies will be conducted in English. That's why local language learner schooling in local language unable to higher studies and still fighting if achieve higher studies with English. I'm also like a student who is still fighting coming rural areas to a higher studies and unable to do speaking and understanding, but I'm doing my best. It doesn't matter how many hardship. So my friends, it's my blog and I still talking myself. I will give you a little introduction myself. I'm My name is Aman. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. I live near the north area, and I still fighting with English, but I make this type blog to share my journey and make a fluent speaker in English section. You will see my improvement. If I capture day by day video, my improvement will be grow day by day. So for the speaking, you need to read more vocab or more reading text, then fluency will become one day. Firstly, you need to practice more, then you become a smart native speaker. So I also faces many difficulty in my higher studies. Something like I don't understand what the exact meaning. Some vocab very difficult and to pronounce. First time, like we can say Shakespeare. It's no Shakespeare. It's Shakespeare. SKH Shakespeare, and something like these term or the author pronouns and hyzers. That's why I'm sharing journey. I'm now in second year student and still fighting with English, and that's why I'm sharing journey with all of you guys. Please let's join me and make a good improvement for to learn with me English, and day by day practice. I will upload day by day how many difficulty I face. Thank you so much for listening this blog. We will meet in next blog. Thank you.